everyone, welcome back. Today's video is very different. Obviously by the thumbnail and title you guys already know, but today's video is going to be a dedicated video to myself and the family setting up our house for Christmas. Today's the 1st of December and obviously that's when we put everything up. So I have everything in this corner here and I thought I'd do a dedicated video because why not? So that is pretty much the intro for this video. So I have my Grinch PJs on and I'm going to set our house up. If you want to know how this turns out, just keep on watching. Don't know if it's going to end up well, but who knows? The lighting's going to be horrendous, I feel like. But this corner is going to be our tree. If you remember, this was a fridge. There was a fridge here, but we moved it. Or we got rid of it, didn't move it. But I put all the Christmas stuff there and then we're going to put the tree there. The tree is right behind you. So I have to set that up first and then figure everything else out. But what I'm going to do is to get me in the mood. Like last month or so, I made a whole playlist of Christmas Christmas songs on my Spotify. It's called It's That Time of Year. If you want to listen to it, I'll link it down below. So it goes for 9 hours. So I'm going to play this because I don't like playing Christmas music until the 1st. I don't like doing anything until the 1st. Oh, German news! Whoa! Yes, pentatonics. There's no Christmas without pentatonics. Look at all these songs. Here's a tree. Look how squashed it is. Ignore that. This is the tree base. This is our tree skirt. It's from Costco, if anyone's wondering. Tree skirt. Pretty. I'm just really scared the tree's not gonna fit. Step 1. Is it gonna fit, yes or no? No. Comment down below. Michael Bublé's on. Bublé. We have to move the couch, so you're just gonna sit here for a while. Here's a bit of tree if you want it. Feliz Navidad, Mum. Second piece, let's do it. Oh, far out, Mama. Not gonna lie, it looks good there. Look at this shit. So this is just 2 pieces. Ignore the music in the background. This is 2 pieces. I have 1 more bit, so let's do it. There we go. I still hate you for getting a goddamn big ass tree.
I still want the 9-foot kite.
Mum, we're good for this one. It's like 7.5. Pentatonics, please be quiet for a second. Thank you. So what I'm doing is I'm letting the tree like fall, I guess. What I'm trying to do is get like the little decorations that don't go on the tree and put them around the lantern area. Anyways, like you saw with the big Santa, I just put this little guy up and then I'm going to put something up here, which is going to be this little man. He looks terrifying, but he does open his mouth and eyeballs. He kind of scares me. I'm going to put him up here, but I'm going to try and not block the aircon. That looks shit. I feel like that looks like shit. Oh, carpet. We're gonna do the table. I've just done a little bit of the table, but I'm going to fix up a bit after. But now I'm going to put the lights on with Dad's help because I can't do that shit by myself. So I have to do the gruesome task of untangling these and putting them on the tree. So I'm going to time lapse this because I feel like it's just going to be a bit boring and repetitive. So I'm going to time lapse us doing this and then hopefully after that I can do everything else pretty quickly. But yeah, let's put some Christmas lights on. Lights are on and top is finally on. Had to trim a little bit of our tree, but it's on. It's a new topper, that's why I was really scared. Now I can put ornaments on, but it's lunchtime, so I don't know where anyone's gonna sit. Okay, I like it. I like it a lot. So I had to pause Michael Bublé, sorry Mum.
Bublé?
Hi everyone. I just for a candle, so I had the best luck ever. The last thing I showed you was the tree, I'm pretty sure. What I've been doing is I've been adding like little bits and pieces everywhere. My battery's gonna die. I've added a little bit of some stuff on the table with Grandma's photo, just little knickknacks, and then I'm gonna have some lunch and then put everything else up and then start the tree because the tree is gonna be the most annoying part obviously because that tree is huge. But yeah, I'm gonna eat some lunch and I'll do an overview of what I've done so far and then oh, excuse me. And then I will do everything else. I have to do the table, I have to do the tree, I have to hang things up on the wall. It's gonna be a fun time. Yay! Definitely copyrighted for this.
No.
Merry Christmas, Kwanzaa, Happy Hanukkah, very nighty. Oh, period. It's beginning to look like Christmas. We're gonna put our stockings up. These are the stockings that are gonna go there. There's yours, and here's mine. Baby, what the fuck? Are you okay?
You okay, socks?
Can you not? You scared me a lot. That's not too bad actually. I thought it would be bad. Why are we out of focus?
Silicones.
We look festive. Anyways, update. It's 1:08. No, it's not. It's 1:18. Jesus Christ, Chloe. Are you dabbing right now? I've pretty much done like the little bits and pieces. I'm going to start the tree, basically. I'm going to start the tree now. Corey has offered to help.
Oh, I did. You asked me.
And then after that, I'm going to do the table. The tree's going to take me literally an hour and a half max, probably. Let's be honest. So, we're going to get started. I'm going to talk about ornaments for a second, and then we're going to get started. My next door neighbor is mowing her lawn. So this is our ornament container. It's full, and Mum wants every single ornament on the tree. Every single year, she tells us to put every single ornament on. So that's what we do. And these big ass ornaments, once again, are from Costco. The Nutcracker one kind of scares me. Anyways, what I'm going to do is put up a couple of these and then do a time lapse with Corey. So I'm going to focus on the front and the side. People see this side and the front more. You don't see the back or this side. I put a little bit on this side, but you don't really see it. Look at that.
Walking in a winter wonderland.
Here to stay.
Hi.
Mike Wazowski. Is that in the middle? Where do you want it?
In the bin.
Hi everyone, update. What time is it? 3:20. I basically finished the tree. I did a time lapse, I'm pretty sure. Annalise called me and I finished the tree. So I thought I would show you what I've done so far. I think I've got like 2 things left to do and that's it. But this is our tree for 2020. You've already seen it, but obviously this is our tree. Lights are on. I might turn them off because you can't even see them. But I'll show you guys at night time what it looks like as well. I will turn the lights off because you can't even see them. But if you want to know any specifics, basically the tree itself is from Costco. These big ones are from Costco as well. The cow was from an op shop and these were done by someone, I don't know who, but you can get these done anywhere. ENQUIRES is backwards, but they're the Santa, this one and the big one are family heirlooms, but I'm pretty sure that's everything I can tell you guys about on the tree. Up here we have these. Where did you get this hat from, Mum? Big W, Kmart? Yeah, I think Mum got this ages ago from Big W, and these two are from like a $2 store, I'm pretty sure. So they're just chilling up there. Nothing is here really. The table needs to be done, but I'll show you that. Then obviously I have this area here with all our stockings and a bit of tinsel. Here's socks. And then again, like I said before, this big Santa is again an heirloom. This is the little table I have to move, but this is Grandma's little section. That's the talking Christmas tree thing. That's from Grandma, I'm pretty sure. The cookie jar is from Kmart ages ago. The candles from an old work friend of Mum's, and obviously Grandma's there. Then I have tinsel here, here, and here. Then I put these here because they were here last year. These two were spares. These were made by a family friend of ours for my grandmother. The other two are for us, but this is for Grandma. I put them in the walkway, I guess. Now I have to do the table and then put up little bits and bobs and then we're done. Let's finish it. Hi everyone, it's done. Yay! So I'm gonna do an overall tour and then I'm gonna finish the video. So I thought we'd start with the start of the house because nothing too dramatic, I guess. We put our reef up. Our reef is up and then those two thingies. I hung my little bell thing. I have tinsel here and then I have a tree hanging. More tinsel, more tinsel, more tinsel. And the third one is a star. I have these two ones here as well. I thought that one's a bit crooked, but it doesn't matter. And then this is like crash mush. So this is our table cover, and the placemats are from Aldi. The table runner is made from a family friend, so can't buy that anywhere. Ignore that, but this is the, what's this called? This is the stocking area. Again, more tinsel. Then we have the big Santa and then this little table area. And then obviously we have the tree and then those little bits and bobs up there I showed you before. So I gotta put all this up. Obviously this stuff has to go up outside and that's like gift wrap and stuff. And then obviously this is our tree. You've seen that multiple times. And socks is here. Hello. So yeah, we haven't done outside yet. We're going to do that on a different day, but I'm not going to show you that because obviously it's outside our house. I'd rather show you the inside. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Hey everyone, I am now back and the house is completely finished. So I'm just here to finish up the video because I'm pretty much done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was a very different one. I thought it was kind of cute, you know, to like set up the house for Christmas and like film it, because usually I would vlog it, which I am working vlogging this week, but like I'm going to cut down pieces from this video and that. So it just feels different to do a dedicated video for it. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna be making more Christmas related videos in this like whole month, so keep a lookout for them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up for me. If you're new, please subscribe. Make 2 videos a week, shares every Monday and Thursday. All my social media links and everything I've mentioned in this video will be linked down below. So that's pretty much it, everyone. Remember to spread love and stay positive, and I hope you guys have a wonderful start to your Christmas month, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye everyone.